Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Australian dollar, US dollar, AUD USD for 26 March 2021. I do analysis of 10 or 11 currency pairs on daily basis, and I bring videos in advance so that you get to stay ahead of the market. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. And I'm extremely sorry, I do not get time to edit my videos, so my videos may seem unprofessional, but I try to provide knowledge. So please do not mind. Okay, so let's jump to the chart. Let me take out the pencil. Okay. So we can see that this is the chart of Australian dollar, US dollar, or USD, and the chart is very much similar to the chart of Euro USD. Okay. So right now market is trading here 0.7592. This is the CMP, current market price. And as you can see on the screen, in the 50 MA on the left hand side, in the 50 MA, I have mentioned 50 MA as the resistance 1 and 0.7848 as the resistance 2. This is the R2 and this is the R1. And see, to be very honest, there is not much support available on the chart right now, but as of now market is resting here, so that's why I have mentioned this level as support. Okay, but do not consider this as a very strong support or something like that. This okay then, so what should be a strategy then? Okay, so the first strategy can be wait for the market. Okay, though the market is very much flat right now, we can wait for the market, or when market will be going up or going up, just observe the market and the price. Okay, when market will be going up and up, okay, just watch how the price reacts when it hits the 50 moving average. Okay, 50 MA is the thing that we need to look for. Okay, once the price comes in terms with the 50 MA, just observe. Okay, just try to understand the market psychology. Okay, if you see that price is struggling near the 50 moving average, then that's a indication that yes, 50 moving average is a valid resistance. Okay, here you can see that 50 moving average acted as a resistance, so there is a chance or high probability that market will face resistance again from the 50 moving average. So if you see that price is struggling near the 50 moving average and it is about to reverse, okay, like this, just short the market just below the resistance of 50 moving average. Okay, once you get the confirmation, what is the confirmation? Your confirmation can be in the form of a shooting star kind of a pattern, okay, price rejection from above, or a big red candle like this, okay, or any indicator or anything of your own choice. Okay, once you get a confirmation that yes, 50 moving average is a valid resistance and it is about the price is about to reverse from there, you can just short the market. Okay, so that is your strategy number one. And on the other hand, if you see that price is not going up, okay, price is not in a position to go up, price is very weak, okay, the spinal cord is broken and all. If you see the price is unable to go up, okay, then just observe the price in this range. If you see that, okay, if you see that when stochastic RSI will be coming down from the upside, okay, right now you can see that stochastic RSI is going up, when it will be coming down again, just observe the price. If you see that price has crossed this level, 0.7577 level, okay, if you see that price has crossed this level, then you can short the market. You can take small risk and you can short the market. Okay, but watch the stochastic RSI. If you see the stochastic RSI is in oversold zone, okay, then be careful. Okay, try to avoid shorting the market in oversold zone. Okay, the best position will be short the market when stochastic RSI will be coming down from the overbought zone. And okay, this is your strategy too. And the first and the best strategy is wait for the market to go up and reverse from the 50 moving average. So these are the two strategies that you can follow for Australian dollar, US dollar. Okay, so hopefully you have understood. Uh, then see you tomorrow then. Thank you so much. All the best, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. All the best. See you tomorrow.